Good morning children. Today we will see comparison and conversion of system of numeration, that is from Indian system to the international system and from the international system to the Indian system. First we will see the period and places of the Indian system. Here you can see the periods are divided into four, that is ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In ones place there is 100, 10 and 1, and in thousand place there is 10,000 and 1000, in lakhs place 10 lakh lakh, and in crore place 10 crore and crore. But in international system you can see the periods are ones, thousands and millions. In ones place there is 1, 10 and 100, and in thousand place there is 1000, 10,000 and 100,000, and in millions place there is million, 10 million and 100 million. Now we will see how to convert one number from Indian system to the international system. Here you see some examples. Write the number both in international and Indian system. For writing a number both in Indian system and international system, first we have to prepare the chart, both Indian system and international system together. Then fill the digit from the lower to the higher places. Here you can see this upper period is showing the chart of Indian system and the lower period is showing the chart of international number system, and the numbers are in between, and we have to write the numbers without commas. Here you see in Indian system, in ones place there is 4, in tens place 9, in hundred place there is 3, and thousand place 5, 10,000 place 5, lakh place 2, 10 lakhs place is 2, again crore place is 1, and 10 crore place is 7. So when we are writing in Indian system, we will see the upper periods and places. Then we have to write like this: 71 crore. You can see 7 and 1 both are in crore place. So 71 crore, 22 lakh. Lakhs are in lakhs place there is 2, both in 10 lakh and lakhs place there is 2, so that is 22 lakh. Again thousands place there is 5, again in thousand place there is 5, so 55,000. Then in hundred place there is 3, so 394. So when we will write, then we'll get 71 crore 22 lakh 55,394. Like that only when we will write in international system, we have to see the lower period and the places of the number system, international system of chart. Here you see, accordingly we will write. Here you can see in millions place there is 712, so 712 million. Again in thousand place there is 255, that is 255,000. Again in hundred place there is 3, tens place 9, and ones place 4, that is 394. So when we will write in international system, we will get 712 million 255,000, again 394. Like that only you have to do your exercise. Here you can see, write the number name in the Indian and international system of numeration. See here the number. Like that only you have to form the table, then you have to write thoroughly. Then when we will write in Indian system, we will get 15 lakh 21,033. Again when we will write in international system, we will get 1,521,000 and 33. Like that only you have to do rest as your homework. Next you see fill in the blanks by changing the system of numeration. Here you can see 70 crore, that is 700 million, and 20 million, that is 2 crore. Then 2 million is equal to 2 into 10 lakh, that is 20 lakh. Again 3 lakh is equal to 300,000, that is 3 into 100, then we'll get 300,000. Like that you will do rest of the question answer. Then how many zeros are there in 2 crore? How many zeros are there? 7 zeros are there. 5 million, 6 zeros are there. Like that only you have to see the chart of Indian and international number system. Then you have to do all the question answer. Thank you children.